Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to configure DNS on your Hyundai TV. So first, let's start off by going into the settings. Now here, let's go to network. And now go to advanced settings, go to DNS configuration and change it from automatic to manual. Here, as you guys can see, we have the first DNS server, which is the domain name system. And here we have the second one, which is 8.8.8.8. Now here is the DNS system from my router. So basically when you go to my IP configuration, as you guys can see, it's the same as the gateway. So that's basically it. If something's not right here for you, then you guys can change it by moving arrows left or right, basically like that through every number, and then changing it by pressing on your TV. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.